Okay, I am recording another video. The other one is very long. So right now we're gonna look at this command chmod, chon, and chgroup. So chmod, we already used chmod before. If you remember, I show you how to change chmod like this. You can change the mode of the write. You can make it writable. You can make it like, if you make it 6600, like 660, it's writable for you, and readable and writable for you, and readable and writable for your group, but not for anyone else. You understand, right? And then like and actually, I just want to demonstrate this to you. For example, you see right now it's only read and write for me, right? Okay, sure. So let's assume I decided to change the user to become the other user, because we have how many users again? I forget the username. The name is student. Okay, so the way to change user like quickly is to say su, and then you say the name of the user. Su stands for super user, but like when you pass an argument to it, it will just change the user to the username you pass in there. So let's assume I put this user and the password is 1111. I probably type it wrong, so I have to type it again. 1234. Oh, I forget, I didn't set password for this user last time I created a user. So sudo pass wd student 1. Okay, sure. So right now I make a password for the student. Right now I can log in as the student user. 1234. You see, so right now I can say ls. You see this file, if I said who am I'm gonna be student. So if I press ls tag l, you see this file is only read and write for this, for Black Dracula, and I am student. So if I try to read this one, let's assume I say cat results, sorry, cat new file, you see it show me permission denied, because I cannot read this file. But let's assume I exit from this user student. I go back to being Black Dracula. If I catch new file, you see I can open the file. You understand, right? And for some reasons, let's assume I am the admin for this computer, and then I decided I want to change the owner of this file from Black Dracula to be user. So an easy way to do that, you say chon user and the group that user exists and the name of the file. So I want to change this new file from, I want to change the ownership of this file from this Black Dracula to student1. So I need to know the group of the student. So actually an easy way to do is to become student and then see the group of the student, because I can't remember. I press ID, I'm gonna see the group. So you see the name of the student is this one, and the group of the student is this student, and this student is only belong to only one group. He is only alone, a poor guy. So I exit to the from that user. So if I want to make this one, I'm going to say ch on student colon, his group name is student as well, student, and then the file name is this one, new file. But because I am not student, and this command you can only use it can as admin. So you see it shows me operation not permitted. You know why? Because I cannot change the ownership of a file. As like a usual user, I cannot change the ownership, so I have to be admin. And the way to become an admin in Linux is to use this one, sudo. And sudo stand for, oh please leave me alone, and sudo stand for super user do. Basically su stands for super user, if you remember, and then do do is just do. So super user is doing what I'm doing right now. So press this one. You see if I press ls -l, you're gonna see actually right now this file, it is owned by student and the group of students. You understand, right? So last time I was Black Dracula and I can read the file, but right now if I say cat new file, I cannot, because I am no longer the owner of the file. You see it shows me permission denied. So I have to become student right now. If I want to read this file, I have to become student. If I say cat new file. You see right now I can open the file because I am student right now, and I am student, and the owner of this file is student. So this is how you use the chon command. And chmod, I already show you example. It's like chmod 600, something like 6660. Like you can just refer to this, and then you can just make it like the way you want it to. And then which one? And then there's another command, and actually this one is absolutely useless command. I shouldn't put it in there. At some point you will learn how to use it. This one is ch group. As you can see, chmod stands for change mode, chown stands for change the ownership, and ch group stands for change a group. So for example, right now I know that the group that this file belongs to is student, right? But for some reasons I decided actually I want to change the group for this file from student to Black Dracula. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say chgrp like this, and then group name, let's say Black Dracula, and a file name like this. But I cannot change group except if I am the super user. And if I say sudo means like super user is doing what I'm doing right now. So if I say this one, it's gonna tell me please know what you're doing, blah 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 blah. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. Unfortunately I cannot, like the student is not allowed to do this, so I have to go back and become Black Dracula so that I can do this. Ch group, and the group name Black, the file name is this file. I forget to become a super user again. So right now if I say ls-l, because to see this one you can see the owner of this file is student, but the group of this file, like right now I said that the group of this file, it is classified as a Black Dracula group. So me too, as a Black Dracula, I am among that group, right? So let's assume I make the chmod, I make it to be readable for my group, and readable is 4 right now. Oh god, I have to be sudo because I cannot just change it because someone else wanted it. So if I say ls.l, so you see right now it is read write for the user, but only read for the group, because right now I am Black Dracula. If I say who am I, you can say I'm Black Dracula. Okay, initially I cannot read this file, right? But because I changed the group to be among Black Dracula, and me too, I am among that group. So right now I can read the file. If I say cat view file, you see I can view the file, but I cannot change the file. You see, it told me that permission denied. So this is how the file system works in Linux. I think I'm gonna stop in here. This one probably the most useful one. Oh yeah, and this one is just like an extra one bonus. So you can see all the groups in the PC by using this command group. I have multiple groups. Some of them I don't even know they exist because a lot of things you really never use them. I have Black Dracula group, which is my group, the group I am in. I have a sudo group, which is like a sudo is the super user group, and a video group. I have no idea what it's doing on my PC. And which kind of group do I have again? I have all these random groups, a lot of them. You understand, right? So actually this group stands for the group I belong to. It's this group command, it will show you how many groups I belong to. How does group without p? Oh sorry, doesn't work. So like this, it shows me that I belong to all this group. So anything which is in this group, for example, like something, no, I am not belong to sudo group. That's no way. Actually I am, because I can execute sudo command in this PC. Sure, let's assume I become student and groups. You see this poor guy, he's only belong to one group, which is only group belong to this only one group, which is student, because I really don't want to make this guy to do a lot of things on my PC, because I'm gonna remove him soon. And the way to remove user is very simple. Let me exit from this guy. You can say user del and then name of the user, but you have to become a super user. And right now this guy is going to ls-home, student should count, but because I make it dash m before, so oh no. What? Okay, this thing like this. So like right now I remove the user and then I remove his home directory. You remove user using this command, user del, this one, user del stand for user delete. You delete the user and then you set like username. But you have to be super user to do this. You have to be admin to do this as well. So that's all for today. I know you might probably not gonna be watching these videos like in a series or something, but I'm just trying to put it up all together so that when you get free time you can watch them all. I'm signing up. Have a great time. 2 a.m. It's time to sleep. Save recording. How do you do